Throughout this section, we'll be building a project called EMS 2.0, which basically stands for Employee Management System 2.0. Now, this is going to be a front-end application. It's not going to have any kind of back-end functionality. It's just going to be a front-end design of how the EMS web application would look like. So in the beginning, we will have this login to continue screen. So basically, it's a simple card which is going to have the username and password. And once the user logs in, you'll be able to see this dashboard. So in the dashboard, you'll have a beautiful navigation bar with this EMS 2.0 logo over there. And then we'll have the home button. If I click on this home link, that's going to take the user to the home page, that is the dashboard. And then we'll have this employees link. And if I click on this employees, that's going to take the user to the employees list. Then we have this job link here. If I click on this jobs, that's going to take the user to the jobs link. And then on the top, you have the search bar with the search button. And then there's a logout button. If you click on this, the user will be easily logged out of the application. So in the dashboard, you'll have two cards, that is employees list and the jobs list. With the help of employees list, if you click on this card, that's going to take you to the list of employees. And same thing happens with the job. If you click on the job, view all jobs, that's going to take you to the jobs list. So in the employees list, we'll have this add employee button. And if I click on this add employee button, you can see that we can add in an employee. All this stuff is available inside a sidebar here. Okay. If you click on view employees, this is going to reload the same page because we are already in the employees list here. So we have the first employee here. If I click on details, the detail of that employee will be shown in a model. If I click on this edit employee, what's going to happen is it's going to close this model and it's going to load another model called edit employee details. So here the user will be able to edit all the details, and if you want, you will be able to update this or close this. And the edit does the same thing, it just loads the same model. And then you have the delete button here. If you click on delete, that's going to give a pop-up message like, do you want to delete John Doe? And if you click on yes, that's going to delete that John Doe. If you click on no, it's not going to delete that. So right below this list, we have the rated links. And if you click on this job list, that's going to take you to the job options. The same thing happens here. If I click on add job, you'll have a model with the date and the job name. You can add in the job name. And once the job name is added, you can see that the jobs will be listed out here. If you click on details, that's going to show you the details of that particular job. And here, if I click on edit, that's going to show the details, like editable details of that particular job. And again, click on close, you can close that. If you click on delete, you can actually delete that. So do you really want to delete graphic designer? If you say yes, that will delete it. If you click on no, they can go back. And finally, if you click on this power button, the user will be able to log out of that EMS application. So this is the project we are going to build in this section. So let's get started.